welcome to Babs Projects. Today I'm going to show you how to make oatmeal tofu kebabs. If you're a vegetarian or vegan, this is a perfect recipe for you. So if you want to know how to make it, follow me. The most important ingredient for this recipe is tofu. I have a block of tofu over here. This is extra firm tofu. You can either use firm or extra firm tofu. Don't use the soft one. And first I'm going to drain this water. To drain all of this liquid from tofu. So even though I have drained all of this water, there is more liquid in it. So I have to make sure all of the liquid has been strained and drained out. So I'm going to use a strainer for that. And I'm just going to put this in here. And you can see there's still a lot of water. So then I'm going to squeeze it. I'm going to squeeze as much water as I can. And at the same time, I'm going to crumble up this tofu. This is going to take some time because you need this tofu on the drier side. I'll do it for another 2-3 minutes and let it drip out all of the liquid. The tofu is all drained out and I made it nice and crumbly. So now to this I'm going to add the ingredients. I'm going to add chili powder, garlic powder, salt, oatmeal, and lastly breadcrumbs. All the ingredients are up on my blog and I'm going to post a link of this in the description below. And now I'm going to mix this. If you don't have garlic powder, you can add fresh chopped garlic also. This tofu is all mixed with all the ingredients. So now I'm going to make kebabs out of this. Just grab a little bit, like maybe a tablespoonful of, and make them into balls, and then flatten it. I like to serve this as an appetizer, so I keep these nice and small, and then place it on a cookie tray. I'm going to make one more. Again, grab some of the tofu mixture, form it into a ball, and then flatten it, and just smoothen the edges as you go along, and that's it. I finished forming all of the kebabs and I have placed them on a pan and I've lined it with some parchment paper. This is totally optional. I just do this so that it's easy to clean up later. So you can choose to whether you want to use parchment paper or not. And now I'm going to place this in the oven. I have preheated the oven to 350 degrees and now I'm going to place these kebabs in the oven and I'm going to bake them for around 30 minutes. I'm going to set the kitchen timer to 30 minutes so that I don't forget. And then I'm going to check back after 30 minutes. The tofu oatmeal kebabs are done and it looks amazing and it smells amazing. I usually like to serve it with green chutney, coriander chutney, or tomato ketchup. And if you've enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure to comment below. And one more thing is the ingredients, the full recipe. I'll post the link of that in the description below. So make sure to check it out. Until next time, goodbye.